afternoon or evening, ladies and gentlemen. How is everybody doing today? I hope this video finds you well, healthy, and in good spirits, guys. It was great to get to see a lot of you on Monday and today when you came in to clean out your lockers and stuff like that. I didn't see all of you, but I did see a good portion of you and a good chunk of you. It was great to interact with you guys. It was great to talk to you. It's something we haven't been able to do in a couple of months, and I've really missed it. So it was really nice to get to talk to you, really nice to get to interact with you guys and stuff. And it was an awesome, fun time, at least for me. I hope it was kind of a little bit for you guys. I know remote learning is not the easiest thing. I know it's not the most fun thing, guys. It's definitely not the most fun thing to try to teach it, much less for you guys to learn it, learn through the remote learning. But all you can really do, and all I'm asking you to do, and all I want you guys to do, if you guys can keep toughing it out and keep working as hard as you have been, you guys have been working really hard and doing really well with this. So if you can keep at it, keep working, keep trying, and keep pushing through, by the time we get to summer, you guys will be all set. As long as you can make it to June, you guys will be all set. It'll be the end of the year. You'll be perfect. And then hopefully in the fall, we'll be back to school. You'll be able to see your friends, interact with your teachers and stuff like that. That's what we're all hoping for. So that's all we're asking. Just keep working, guys. You're doing a great job. So what are we doing today? What's the plan for today? Today is a B day. Today is a lesson day. And today what we are going to talk about is we're going to talk about the California Gold Rush. Now, the California Gold Rush is the last kind of topic to talk about in westward expansion. So California is going to become part of the United States after the Mexican-American War. Gold is going to be discovered there in 1848. And over the next 2 years, about 100,000 people moved to California to find gold. And eventually, 2 years later, after gold is discovered, California applies to be a state in the United States. And that is going to kind of be one of the things that is going to lead to the Civil War. And we're going to see after westward expansion, next week we'll start it. We're going to start to take a look at the causes of the Civil War. We're going to start to take a look at one of the movements that directly influenced the Civil War. We're going to take a look at abolition. And then we're going to go ahead and take a look at the causes of the Civil War. And then we're going to talk about the Civil War. So that's the plan. That's what we're going to be doing for the next couple weeks after today. But today's lesson is about the gold rush. So this lesson is kind of like the Oregon Trail lesson. Unfortunately, I'm sorry, guys, there is no game. I don't have a game for you. I have a website that I want you to read, and then I want you to take and watch a crash course video and then do the check for learning. That's kind of the plan for today, and we'll go through that a little more specifically. But the objectives that we have for today, read the first one is today we will read the information on the website about the California Gold Rush and use that website for the check for learning. And then we will watch a crash course video reviewing westward expansion and discussing California. So not only does the crash course video talk about the gold rush a little bit, but it also does take a look at westward expansion as a whole. It takes a look at the Mexican-American War and the Texas Revolution. It takes a look at why and how people moved west and stuff like that. So make sure you're paying attention. Make sure you are make sure you watch that so that you get a little more information, gain a little extra information. Today, my office hours will be from 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. and from 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. I am done with locker cleanout, so you guys can email me, and I will be more on the ball to responding to your messages. I will be able to get things graded. I'm sorry I wasn't able to get it done today, but I will be able to take and grade things and get things done for today, now that I don't have locker cleanout. So if you got any questions, send me an email between 11 a.m. and 12 p.m. or 3 p.m. and 4 p.m. and I'll respond as quickly as I can. So looking at the teacher lesson slide, what I want you to do is I want you to click on this link right here. I know it's kind of tough to see, guys, but all you got to do is click on it to kind of have the link pull up, and then you can just click on the link and you're all set. So make sure you go to that website and you read the website so that you have an easy time completing the check for learning that is a couple slides later. After you do that, what I would like you to do is I'd like you to go ahead and watch the video on the next slide that reviews westward expansion and discusses California. And then I want you to complete the check for learning using the website about the gold rush. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to click on this website and you're going to read the information on this website. Then what you're going to do is you're going to go to the next slide, slide number 3, and you're going to go ahead and watch this video on westward expansion and on California. Once you've finished watching that video, guys, you're then going to move on to the check for learning slide. You're going to click on the link for the check for learning. Make sure you have the website about the California Gold Rush open. That will help you to answer these 4 questions. And once you finish that check for learning, that pretty much wraps up your lesson for today. There is no homework. And the only resource I do have here is the same website I'm asking you to read. If you have a hard time getting the link up top in slide number 2 to work, which I'm not too sure why it's the exact same link, but if for some reason it doesn't work, it is down here. So in the resource box, so you can take and click on that link and access that website that way. But that is all I want you to do for today, guys. I just want you to go ahead and read the information from the website, watch the crash course video, and take the check for learning. Once those 3 things are done, you guys are set. You are done for today, and that is your social studies lesson. One more time as a reminder, guys, my office hours are from 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. and from 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. So if you have any questions, please reach out to me. Please ask away, and I will make sure that I reply as quickly as I can and answer your question as quickly as I can. With that said, guys, I hope you have a fantastically, awesomely, splendiferous day, and I will catch you guys tomorrow for tomorrow's review lesson. Have a great day, guys.